Hello again, guys. This is part 3 of my texture pack tutorial series, and in this part I'm going to show you guys how to add in your own custom textures. And so what I'm going to do is I have in this folder to the right here I have a grass side texture that I've just made black and white, and then I have a picture of Nicolas Cage which we're going to use to replace one of the paintings in Minecraft. And don't worry about this, we've already handled the pack. This is the icon for the resource pack. So we're just going to be working with these two files here. And also between this video and the last one, I noticed that if you actually go to your versions folder, and right now we're on 1.7, if we go to that and open the jar file with whatever program we have on our computer, in this case for me it's WinRAR, could also use 7-zip, and then you go to Assets, and then Minecraft, and then Textures, you actually get a whole list of all the textures that are in the game, so you know what to replace, what folders to put them in, and what names to give them. So I'm going to keep that open on my other monitor here. And in the meantime, let's actually go back. Let's copy this grass side texture, and we want to go to our resource pack folder that we're working with. And we want to go to Assets, and we want to go to Minecraft. And then let's bring this back. Let's see, the next one would be Textures. So we'll go ahead and add in a new folder called Textures. And then we want to add in a folder called Blocks inside of that. So let's create a new folder there as well. Let's call that Blocks. And then we'll open that up. And now let's go ahead and put in the grass side picture, and that has to be grass_side.png, and we'll scroll down just to make sure. So we got right here, this is the file that we're going to be replacing. So now let's replace one of the paintings, and the first thing we want to do, of course, is create a folder for it. So we have the blocks folder. Now alongside that, let's create one and call it painting, so that it matches up with the one in the Minecraft jar file. And then let's open up both, and let's make a copy of the original painting file, and we're going to go ahead and modify that and add in our own custom painting. So let's close that now, we're done with that. And let's edit this here, and I'm going to zoom in. Whoops. Actually, that's pretty good. And then let's go ahead and go back now, and let's get that picture that I had of Nicolas Cage. And let's also edit that. And we're going to select all, copy, and then paste. And now this is a 62 by 62. I'm replacing one of the larger paintings. And let's go ahead and just put this in for all of these. That way we don't have to file through a bunch of paintings in the game to get the one that we want. And you can pretty much customize this however you want. I'm just doing this in the most basic way possible, just to show you. We're going to save this file, and we're going to close it. And let's go back to where that file was located. So we'll go to our resource pack, Assets, Minecraft, Textures, and Painting, and good. So that worked, it's there. So now all we need to do at this point is let's just make sure that these textures are actually going to work with our resource pack. So let's open up the resource pack, and let's go ahead and drop our stuff in there again. There we go. So now we have all the new stuff that we just added. So let's go back to our Minecraft directory, and let's update the resource pack. Copy it in there. And then let's test it. Alright, so let's go to single player, and we'll just go to this test world here. And let's change the texture pack. Done. Done. And that worked. So now the side of the grass is black and white, and you can see there's a colored part that kind of goes over it. That's actually like another texture that goes on top to make the grass a little bit more 3D, and that can be changed as well. So we know that that worked. Now let's actually see if our painting worked. Alright, there we go. So Nicolas Cage is now a part of Minecraft, thanks to us. And that's pretty much it. That's how you replace the textures for Minecraft. And this has been a very, very basic tutorial, but this is pretty much all you really need to know how to do, which is one, figure out what you need to name the files by going basically to your version folder and then opening it up. And then two, just being able to create the files, make sure they're the right file type, and then just drop them in. And at that point, you can make whatever you want. So I hope this has been helpful, and if you guys have any questions, please just put them below. And thank you for watching. Take care.